Inspired Look, the Space one, and I already started my base. Alright, I will be using the CC Beauty Professional Cosmetics Face Palette. I'll be taking this dark blue color and putting it on my forehead. So I am Jason. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Massachusetts. I've been doing makeup since I was in the 8th grade. And oof, it's been a hell of a journey. It has not been easy to get to where I am today, but let me tell you, it takes a whole lot of practice to get to where I am. So if you think, oh, I'm never gonna get there, I'm never gonna get there, I thought that too. You'll get there. It just takes a whole lot of practice. This paint, oh my god. I was scared because I was like, oh, all the face paints I get are too, like, greasy, like Spirit Halloween type paint. Trashy. But I ordered this off of Amazon. Well, my mother did. My #1 supporter. I took the black shade and I did the outer edges. And now I'm mixing the light blue shade and the navy blue shade to make like a grayish blue. And I'm putting it in the middle part. I'm gonna add a little bit of white. I'll lighten that up. Taking the light blue shade that I made here, and I will be putting it in the middle and blending that in. For my brows, I used the Anastasia pomade in shade Ebony. I'll be setting the outer edges with my James Charles palette. Yes, it's dirty. I go through hell with this. And I'll be taking the dark blue shade and I'll be setting the blue on the sides. So I'll be setting that. Quarantine's been something else. I'm bored out of my mind. I've been doing a lot of makeup. A lot more time to like do my makeup and sit down, which school never even allows me because these teachers always giving me work. Like, give me a damn break, please. Yeah, quarantine's helped me focus more on my work. It's encouraged me to make this video because I do not like my voice at all. I sound like a girl on camera. So I was like, I don't have the confidence to film. But today I was just like, let me just film a tutorial, why not? Because everybody keeps asking me, are you gonna film a tutorial? Are you gonna film a tutorial? Here you go. I use an AirPod so the audio is a little bit better. Sorry, my lighting's ass. I don't have a ring light yet. Eyes, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll be taking this dark blue shade and I'll just be packing that in. My mom's my #1 supporter and I'm grateful to have her in my life. And my dad's very supportive also. He doesn't buy me the makeup, but I be getting Java. I would be grateful for them. This is my James Charles palette. This light blue shade with this Anastasia blending brush. And I'll be blending that blue shade at the top in circular motions. And now I'll be taking Blue Blood by Jeffree Star. I'll be using I'm Cold. My favorite makeup brand eyeshadows are Morphe and Jeffree Star eyeshadows. Taking I'm Cold and I'm blending it up. I'm gonna take a little bit of minty, and I'm just gonna be blending that on top. This white one Just be packing it in the front part. I'll be taking this blue shade and I'll be basically highlighting my brow bone. Check out my Instagram at Jason_cosmetics on Instagram. Taking this shade again and I'll be highlighting my inner corner. The Jaclyn Hill palette and I'll be packing it in. Blush trio, and I'll be using Free, where you usually do on your cheeks, your nose, and yeah. I just realized I've had my mirror and the camera the whole time, and that's unprofessional. Oops. I'll be taking my Morphe concealer in all white, really thin brush. Is this what beauty gurus do? Little dots. Alright, I drew the moon. It's not the best, took forever. But now I'll be drawing like little shooting stars. I'll be using my highlighter in shade Extra. Use a small brush to contour your nose so you don't look stupid with a lot of highlighter everywhere and like, yeah, it's just too much. When you nose contour, you like draw a little line and then you draw like a little circle. So I'm just going back in, touching up the yellow everywhere. I'll be curling my lashes with my e.l.f. lash curler and I'll be using my Wet n Wild Mega Volume mascara. Look at my hands. Right now I'm in a vocational high school where I'm basically training to get my cosmetology license. I hope after I leave I could work at Sephora or something and start from there. Sorry these are dirty, but I'll be using the Kiss lashes in Style Midnight. Right, I'll just be taking some diamonds and like placing it in random places. I'm really confident that I can make it far in life and a lot of people see it in me. But I could always try my hardest, and I will always try. Alright, so I found this, and I'm thinking of putting this on my forehead. And for lips, I will be using Fenty Beauty's PUWSY. Final result, I hope y'all enjoyed watching. This is my first tutorial, don't drag me. Instagram, Jason_cosmetics. And my main page is J_dreams with a Z. J-A-Y. And... yeah.
Don't know me, but he's setting up to blow me. Oh, said my Twitter picture, mine and my Naomi. Oh, wanna low, I used to holler at